Good morning children, welcome to our class. Today we are having maths class. In your previous class you learned less than and greater than, how to use less than, greater than or equal. In activity 2 first and second bits over amma. Let's see in third bit. What is our third bit? Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Before you arranging ascending order, what means ascending order? Ascending order means you should write or you should arrange it from small to big. You should arrange from small to big. Means small number to big number. First you will find out which one is the small number. You should write first small number. Okay children, what's the means of ascending order? Ascending order means you should arrange the given numbers from small to big. From small to big. You should arrange, give the given numbers from small to big. Means small number to big number. Now tell me children, you will get three numbers, that is 253, 248 and 324. You get three numbers. Which one is the small one? First, before you write a small number, first of all the given numbers having how many digits or how many place values? 1, 2, 3. Ones, tens, hundreds. These are all 3-digit numbers. These are all 3-digit numbers. So 3-digit numbers means 100 place values. So we are checking in first hundreds. Here 2 is there. Now 100 plus here 2, here 2, here 3. Now tell me children, which one is the small one? 2 always small one, we compare 3. Okay. Now here both are having 2. So in these two numbers we are comparing next place value. What is that next place value? 100 after what comes? Tens. So here in tens 5 is there. In tens here 4 is there. Okay children. Now tell me children, 5, 4. Which one is the small? 4 is a small one. So you this 248 is the small number. 248 is the small number. You get first small number is what? 248. You should write first 248. Next children, here in tens, in hundreds 2 is there. In hundreds 3 is there. So 2, 3. Which one is the small? 2. So this 253 is the small number. You should write this is 253. Okay children? Okay amma? Next 324. Last number is what? 324. We are checking first small number to big number. 248, 253 and 324. Okay? One more is there. Let's see amma, one more. Tell me children, ascending order, how to write in ascending order? Small to big or big to small? Small to big. Ascending order means small number to big number. You arrange it now. You arrange small number to big number. We are checking which one is the first small number. These are having 3-digit numbers. So in 100 place value 4, 4, 4. All are equal. Next you are comparing tens. 8, 5, 9. Which one is the small? 5. So what is your small number? 456. Okay children. Next one 4, 4. Next tens 8, 9. Which one is the small? 8 is the small. So next small number is what? 482. You should write 482. Then next last number 492. So this is our ascending order, small number to big number. Now third one. Now tell me children, write down in ascending orders. I think you can understand these two problems. You should write this problem. These are also having 3-digit numbers. In ones, in hundreds, 5, 5, 5. In tens, 6, 3, 3. Sorry, 6, 6, 3, 8. So this one is a small number. First you write 539. Next one 6, 8. 6 is a small. So 569 is a small number. Next last one 589. This is our ascending order. Please copy in your classwork, children. You can understand how to write in ascending order. Small number to big number. Let's see Amma, next bit, fourth bit. Arrange the following numbers in a descending order. First of all, this copy in your classwork, children. Whatever you write in your classwork, that is post in our group, must and should. Somebody not post in our group your classwork. All members should post in our classwork in our group. Next one Amma, descending order. You copy this. Next I will explain the descending order. This is our fourth bit. You are copy that. Shall I repeat, children? Next one is what Amma? Descending order. First example 205, 210 and 290. Now tell me children, in descending the order how to arrange the following numbers. In descending order, the given numbers you should arrange in the given numbers we should arrange from big to small, big number to small number. In descending order, the given numbers you arrange from big number to small number. First you identify which one is a big number. Here given given numbers are 3-digit numbers, that are a 3-digit number. So we are checking in hundreds. 2, 2, 2. All are equal. So we are checking all are equal that way. That's why you are checking in tens place value. 0, 1, 2. You need big number. Yes, you need big number. So in tens, which one is the big? 9. So what is your big number? 290. You should write first 290 Amma. Let's see next you comparing these both numbers 205, 210. Which one is the big? 210. Next 205. You arrange in or you write in your descending order, big number to small number. One more example Amma. How to write in descending order Amma? Big to small. This is kept in your mind. What is ascending order? What is descending order? Ascending order means small number to big number. You are arranging from small number to big number in ascending order. In descending order, we are arranging big number to small number. These both are kept in your mind. Don't forget children, what is ascending order, what is descending order. Next, 212, 328, 345. These are all 3-digit number. We are checking in hundreds. 2, 3, 3. These 3 is the big number. These both having same digit. We are checking in tens. 2, 4. 4 is the big. So 345 is the big number. Next 328. Next one number 212. Now third one 323. 310 and 333. We are arranged in descending order. Descending order means what is that? Big to small. Now tell me children, which one is the big number? 323, 310 and 333. Or here in 100 place 333. So we are checking in tens. 2, 1, 3. 3 is the big one. So this is our first big number, 333. Next 2, 1. 2 is the big. Next big number is what? 323. Now last one 310. Vigilance, we can understand how to write in your descending order and ascending order. Please copy this children. I will give homework. Children, please copy in your classwork. You should write both ascending and descending orders. We are solving these two problems. So this is your homework and post our WhatsApp group. Okay, children. Take care. Still any doubts? Ask in our group. Okay, children. Take care. Bye.